In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your design as a PNG with a transparent background. By the end, you'll have a crisp, share-ready image that preserves transparency, perfect for logos, icons, overlays, and web graphics. First, make sure your background layer is hidden. Open your Layers panel and locate the layer that's acting as the background. Usually it sits at the bottom and might be labeled as a background. Click the eye icon next to it to turn it off. When it's hidden, you should see a grey and white checkerboard behind your artwork. That checkerboard isn't part of your image, it simply indicates transparent areas. If you still see white or a solid color, double check that the background layer is truly hidden and that no other filled layer is covering the canvas. Next, go to the File menu and choose Save As. This creates a new copy in the format you need while leaving your working file intact. Pick a destination you'll remember, such as your project folder or desktop, so you can find it quickly later. Keeping your original layered file separate is a smart habit, especially if you plan to make future edits. In the Format drop-down, select PNG. PNG is a lossless format, which means it won't introduce compression artifacts, and it supports transparency, exactly what we want here. Unlike JPEG, which fills empty areas with solid color and can blur edges, PNG keeps those transparent regions and maintains sharp outlines. If your document is set to a common color space like sRGB, that profile typically carries through, which is a solid default for web use. Now, name your file clearly. Use a descriptive, human-readable name that helps you stay organized. Consider including the project name and a simple version tag. If you plan to upload it online, hyphens or underscores instead of spaces can make file handling smoother across different systems. Finally, click Save. Depending on your software, you may see a brief PNG options dialog. Defaults are generally safe and won't affect transparency. Some programs might mention flattening layers. That's expected when saving to a single